Hello. Today's workout is focused on the squat. It's for beginners, and I'm going to show you how you can work the quads, the glutes, and the hamstrings with just your body weight. Or I also will show you how to use a barbell, a plate, or a dumbbell. As you're just starting your strength workout, don't feel like you have to get any equipment. Your body weight is going to be sufficient. What's important is the stance and then also the range. I'm going to show you how to do a mid squat stance and a wide squat stance. When you're in a mid squat stance, you work your quadriceps, but again, all of your muscles in the legs will be engaged, even though the focus is on the quads. Then in the wide squat stance, you're going to focus more on the glutes. Again, all the muscles in the legs will be engaged, but with a target for the glutes. And that's a really great start as you're just getting into strength work. I will show you how to progress, and even to take this into a full body exercise. But again, when you're just starting out, body weight is completely okay. You want to focus more on where your feet are, bracing your core, and getting that range. Now, when you're doing this workout, I recommend 3 sets between 10 to 12 reps each set. Again, you're looking for muscle fatigue because when your muscle starts to fatigue, that means it's going to have to repair itself and grow back stronger. So you're going to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps of the mid squat, and then 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps of the wide squat. And that's just a basic start. And I'm also, like I said, I'll give you options for progressing this workout. So whenever you're setting up the mid squat stance, we're going to do body weight first. I want you just to check out my feet. They're just outside your hips. And then if you're using body weight, I'm bringing my hands forward, and you really want to brace your core as you shift your hips back and push your knees forward. You want to really try to get your butt to just above the knee line and then come up. And that's 1, 2, 3. Now, this is where, if you're just getting into strength work, I would recommend continuing 10 to 12 reps 3 times with your body weight. However, you do have the option always to start adding weight. If you don't have a barbell, I recommend a plate or a dumbbell. And then you're going to place the dumbbell right on your collarbones, tuck the elbows in. And once again, focus on the range. Your feet are just outside your hips. You pull your arms in, the dumbbell or the plate to your collarbones, and then shift the hips back as you push the knees forward. You're going to feel that extra weight right on top of your legs. And again, really focus on that range. Try to get to 12 reps until you start to feel a little burn in the top of your legs. If you have a barbell and you want to use the barbell, we recommend just place it right on the meaty part of your back. You want to protect your neck. And then I'll keep it right here. Remember, heels just outside the hips. You want your elbows underneath your wrists and just gently pull the bar into the body. Once again, you always brace your core because that's going to protect your low back as you shift your hips back and down to the knee line and push the knees forward. Again, go for the reps. They're going to bring fatigue to the muscle. Next, I'm recommending you focus on your glutes. And it's really simple. You just walk your feet out just a little bit further and go through the same process. So I'm going to bring this down so you see my feet. So you've started in the mid squat stance with your heels just outside your hips. For a wider squat stance, and you can even go as wide as doing plie squats. So you turn your toes out just a little bit more. And some people even try to do this like I said, like even like a ballet type plie squat. But with body weight, just focus once again on taking your butt back and down, and you should really feel the difference. So for body weight, I'm just bringing my hands forward and then shifting down, pushing your knees out. You really want to push them out. Try to get your thighs parallel at the bottom, and then really squeeze your butt to drive your hips forward on the way up. Again, go for that 10 to 12 reps so that you're getting fatigue. And you're even going to be able to notice that you're needing to press into the outside edge of your foot as you come from the bottom of the move to the top. So just bring that pressure all the way up the back of your legs. Again, if you want to try this with weight, you don't even need to have a weight as you're getting started. Again, I said in the workout, for your upper body, grab some canned goods or whatever you have in the garage, but just try it. So once again, you're walking your feet out wider. You're bringing that plate or whatever you have to your collarbone, squeezing your knees wide as you shift your butt back and down, and then drive out of the floor and squeeze to the top. Go for those reps that are going to bring fatigue. Again, you can try it with the barbell, bringing it onto the meaty part of your back. And shifting the hips back and down. I hope what you got from this video is that if you're just starting out with a workout plan, don't be discouraged. Your body can do amazing things, and it doesn't have to be complicated. The basic squat, it simulates and engages all the muscles that you use in day-to-day life, and it actually starts to get fun and feel good. Even if you only have 10, 15 minutes, you can do this. Reach out if you have any questions.